Luckily, when our clients wake up in the morning, they don't have to rush to see what's going on in the markets because they're not going to lose money. Every time, the nice part is that as the months and years go by, every time that they earn a rate of return, it gets locked in. So regardless of what's going on throughout the year, when we have a down year, I tell people it's the best thing that may have happened. You get a reset, and now what happens is that you start at that new low end of that index. So when it goes up, it's like making money during the same period twice. Where other people that are tied into securities, what's going to happen to them? Well, they have to wait for the market to come back up. They may be stuck for 2, 3 years while you just got a reset and you got to basically it rebalanced for you. You're making money all over again. So, the main thing about all this is looking for that security, not sitting back, that time horizon. How much time do you really have to sit around and make nothing? This is where we make a difference in our clients' portfolios and in their lives.